Rabies. Introduction. The rabies virus damages the brain, usually resulting in death. Select true or false. Correct. Once symptoms begin, the disease is usually fatal. However, a series of shots can prevent rabies infection in people exposed to the virus.
Do animals infected with rabies always act sick? Select yes or no.
Correct. The statement is false. You may be exposed to the rabies virus even if the animal that bit you does not appear ill. It is very important to see a healthcare provider immediately after cleaning the wound of an animal bite.
Is rabies spread through contact with an infected animal's blood, urine, or feces? Select yes or no.
Correct. The statement is false. The virus that causes rabies is spread through saliva. People most commonly get rabies from the bite of an infected animal.
Is it easy to know if an animal bite has infected you with rabies? Select yes or no.
Correct. The statement is false. If your healthcare provider thinks you may have been exposed to the rabies virus, you will be treated. There is no treatment for a rabies infection when symptoms appear. Select true or false. Correct. If you may have been exposed to rabies, a series of shots can prevent the infection. Can you tell if an animal has rabies by looking at it? Select yes or no.
Correct. You cannot tell if an animal has rabies just by looking at it. Sometimes an animal can have rabies but act normal. Seek medical attention if you were bitten by a wild animal or a stray pet.
Vaccinating your pets is one of the most effective ways to prevent the spread of rabies. Select true or false. Correct. Vaccinate your pets. This is the most important step you can take in preventing the spread of rabies. Dogs, cats, ferrets, and other household pets can be infected with rabies.
Thank you for using Explain.